Action.
Thank you, Miss Cat and ConjureMan Ali. And thank you. We'll use Miss Aida since we did last video. She will be here next weekend. Miss Aida for Miss Aida of MissAida.com in Detroit, Michigan, for being our guest this week. We invite you to join us next week as we'll have another special guest from the Association of Independent Readers and Rootworkers, Professor Ames of Skullbone Emporium and .com in Fort Collins, Colorado, talking about some special, wonderful topic. Once again, we've come to an end of another Lucky Mojo Hoodoo Rootwork Hour brought to you by the Lucky Mojo Curio Company in Forestville, California. You can find Miss Cat online at the Lucky Mojo forum at forum.luckymojo.com and ConjureMan Ali of ConjureManAli.com in Mission Viejo, California. And Miss Cat's in Forestville, California. Sorry about that, folks. I'm your announcer, Papa Newt of PapaNewt.com in Columbus, Nebraska. The Lucky Mojo Hoodoo Rootwork Hour can be heard live every week on Blog Talk Radio at 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shows are available in archives at luckymojo.com/radioshow.html. For all of us at Lucky Mojo, I'd like to say thank you for being here and invite you to tune in once again next week at the same time when you'll hear the familiar strains of the Memphis Jug Band playing the Jug Band Waltz. Thanks, everybody. Goodbye.
Da, 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 da. Do you want to plug the Hoodoo Festival?
And thank you all for attending the 2016 Hoodoo Heritage Festival put on by the Missionary Independent Spiritual Church. It was a wonderful time, amazing experience, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you next year at the 2017 Hoodoo Heritage Festival. So do stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.